I'm professional.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Alright, so for a beard lineup, I want to follow as much of his natural line as possible. So you can kind of see where that already is. Put the clippers upside down. It's the only time I really recommend bending your body at all. Now I'm going to hit just right on the lip line here. For me, that goes in a little too Ned Flanders, a little too oakley dokley. So I'm just going to taper out the bottom just barely so it gives it a little bit of more natural growth to it. These Game of clippers are actually strong enough to knock through all this thicker hair here. I don't want to get below where his natural fold is underneath here. If your line is below that, that's where you get the double chin beard situation. I want to make sure that I clean up the bottom of the beard super well right there because everything grows down, so that's where the weight builds up. I want to grow out his chin a little bit here. That's why I'm just trimming the sides. The stronger the chin, the stronger the jawline, the more masculine someone looks. Fair side. To side.
From beast to dapper.
My girlfriend's outside. Smooth like butter.
I got a sensitive neck too, so.
I am using my other hand to steady my right hand with the clippers in certain portions. Just helps me create a little bit sharper of a line. See a lot of barbers doing things one-handed, way out here like this. I like to work tight, not uncomfortably tight. I'm not trying to, make out with anybody. But I want to be able to see what I'm doing, and I want to have a secure stance. I want to step in front of him to make sure that my points match right here. I want my lines to be at the same angle. I don't want them crisscross. And I want them to match at the mustache at the same point. I don't want them higher or lower, or one rounded and one nice and triangular, one rounded and one square. I want to make sure they're the same. Step in front of him. He's got a pretty solid natural line here. It's pretty easy to see. Some guys' beards are really shifted. Actually, I think I'm pretty good. Got a good face, bud.
Hey, you're symmetrical. Welcome to the team. Say bye, Anthony.
Bye, Anthony.